So this AI tool creates beautiful, amazing rank and ranked websites in a matter of hours. This is a website that I've created using that tool. Just take a look at the visuals. It has all the necessary components. It is SEO optimized. It's got business schema. It's got FAQs. It's got services pages, service areas. And what's even more amazing, it has a free tools section with a working calculator, and it has a blog section. And let me just click on any of these articles, and I want you to admire the level of detail and the beauty of these articles. So these are amazing images created with Nano Banana. This is a CTA. All of the blog posts contain internal links to other blog posts and external links as well. And today, not only will I teach you how to create these kinds of websites, but we'll also look at different niche selection methods. And by the end of this video, you'll leave with a bunch of rank and rent ideas, and you will know how to create a site like this one in under 2 hours. So let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome to Towards the Scale. So before I reveal the tool, let me tell you the main problem that I'm seeing with creating rank and rent websites. On the one hand, you have plain one-pagers, and they are pretty good. I think I'm still ranking with one of my one-pagers. Yes, this is me, summer review, hoarding cleanup, sponsored, and I'm here number 1. And I teach you how to create these kinds of websites in my school community. So this is the website that I own, and this is a classic plain HTML website. It doesn't have a blog section. It's basically a glorified landing page. And this is all well and good, but rank and rent is getting more and more competitive. And oftentimes, these kinds of websites are not enough. So this is your plain one-pagers. Then you have amazing, beautiful websites that you can build with Lovable, with Base 44, with Bold New, but they're completely uncrawlable. They're built on React, and it's very difficult for search crawlers to fetch them. And when they do, they oftentimes see empty HTMLs. So this is a big no-no, and we're not even touching upon the speed of these websites. So beautiful, amazing SPAs, single-page applications that are not built for SEO. And for those of you who are more technical, this is the answer that Perplexity gave me. These kinds of websites are bad for SEO, not because of AI itself, but because of how these builders are architected and what they limit you to. So rendering and crawling, most Lovable Base 44 sites are pure client-side React SPAs, single-page applications with almost empty HTML before JavaScript runs. Server bots and AI crawlers often see very little content or see it only with a delay, which can hurt indexing and ranking. So this is reason enough for me to move past those vibe coding tools. And then you have Locus Pilot. So Locus Pilot is the tool that I'm about to review, and it creates these amazing, beautiful HTML websites that are built on Astra. So this is not React, so this is pure HTML. But as you can see, it's a complete website. It's amazing. It looks extremely professional. Has an about section with our story, our mission and values, our numbers. So this is indistinguishable from a real business. This tool is actually built by the same team who brought you Agility Writer and EMD Striker. So you know that the blog post quality is going to be amazing. And EMD Striker, which is a tool that I'm using to find rank and rent ideas. And today we'll build everything from scratch, from choosing a niche to buying a domain to building and publishing our website. Okay, first things first, I'll go to the EMD Striker, and if you buy into Locus Pilot, you get free credits to spend with EMD Striker. Now, you can create a new search, and you can base this on a location. Texas, for example, as a state, you will get all the rank and rent ideas within that state. If you want to go niche-wide, this will look into your niche, and then it's going to tell you which locations have the biggest opportunities. And I'm not really using these two at all, so let me just show you a search that I ran for this experiment. The niche that I chose was concrete lifting and leveling, which is still low competition and very high end. So what I did, and this is a nice little tip for you to save on EMG Striker credits, I never bothered with pure keywords like concrete leveling cost or somehow geo-targeted but not specific to a location like near me. So I chose a seed keyword, which is concrete leveling, and and I was only analyzing those. So instead of 246 keywords, I now am playing with 84 keywords, which allows you to save a lot of credit. Then I clicked on bulk analyze, and I was incomplete all when I saw this. So I've never seen such high striker scores before, and striker score is a composite score that EMG Striker uses to assess the potential. So if you go click on any of these, you'll see a complete breakdown, you'll see the SERPs, and then the AI insights. So this says this is a massive strike opportunity with a near perfect score and blah, blah, blah. Your competitors have thin content, poor optimization, missing schema, weak authority based on backlinks. And to make it even better, you can choose all these keywords and then bulk check them for free. And this is what you see in return. So what I've noticed is that whenever it says to, the .com domain is most likely missing. And as you can see, it has a .us, .net, and .org. So what I did, I actually went ahead and purchased Concrete Level in Colorado Springs. So if I were to rerun the bulk search, it would be absent. So the .com extension at least. And now I want to go for something else. So let me actually go for Concrete Level in Buffalo. It does have the highest volume, but the .com is available and it has an extremely high striker score. So let me just purchase this real quick. And yes, it is. So I will be buying this one any second now. Okay, the domain is mine and I'm ready to start the process. And by the way, I will be pasting this whole thing inside of my school community where you have classes on ranking in 24 to 48 hours. You have my bespoke rapid ranking system, multimedia articles, best AI workflows, niche hunting course, and local SEO Outranking Academy. And this is where I teach you how to create one-page ranking ranked websites. And now you get another method for creating more robust, more detailed websites, along with this table here that you can pick and choose from. Okay, let's go to Locus Pilot. Let's start a new project. We need to create a business name. I suggest you spend more time on this. I'll just go Concrete Level in Buffalo, and then I'll click on Research with AI. And here, what I can do and what I will do is pick a URL that I want to model. So what I'll do, I'll copy these seed keywords. I'll go back to Chrome. I'll open up my Search Simulator Chrome extension. I see that A1 Concrete Level in Buffalo are ranking, and these are the guys that I will be modeling after. Looks like they have a nice website with About Us, services, industries, resources. So a pretty good looking website if you ask me. So from here, you just type in the type of business, A1 Concrete Buffalo. Site is as follows. Then your country is obviously going to be United States. The state is going to be New York, and the city is going to be Buffalo. Now you need to click on Rebrands and type in your name, which is Concrete Leveling Buffalo, and our website. Then you click on Generate, and let's see what happens. Okay, so this is what we got. Basic information, type in industry, construction, concrete repair, maintenance. Founded in 1992. Well, this is completely made up and you should know that. Headquarters, DPU, New York, archetype, local service, core offering, restaurant mission, position and ideal customer, pricing model, market context, contact calls. So this is where you actually insert your own information. So if you are renting out a number, you should be placing it here. Location coverage, you double check that. And this is an easy check, so you can just go to ChatGPT and ask for a concrete leveling business that operates out of Buffalo. What are the service areas? And this is going to double check it. And it even says what I like about this tool. It's very easy to follow. So all along the way, you'll get these notifications. So it says literally the same thing. Please review and update. Contact, calls to action, key people, primary social commercial hub, physical address. Okay, this is our domain name. Image style, so always choose Nano Banana. It's going to cost extra, but it's well worth it. You can choose reference images. I won't be doing that, but if you want something very particular, you should. Okay, all down. Now, this is how you approach designing the website. You can either model after another website, like we have this A1 guys, but I don't think this is ideal. And even Locus Pilot recommends you use Google Stitch. And again, I had never used Google Stitch before, so I just follow these instructions and it's extremely easy. So once the background information is generated, you get this prompt. So you just copy the prompt, you open Stitch, you copy over the prompt, you make sure you switch from app to web model. So, okay, these are the two designs that we got back. I like this design. I think I'll go with this one. So all you have to do is click on more and then view code. And then literally all you have to do is copy code, go back to Locus Pilot and paste HTML. This is all you do. And then I saw another notification that said that this is going to be used as a reference, as an inspiration. It's not going to look exactly like this because Locus Pilot has to follow a specific rank and rank structure, but the design is going to be pretty similar nonetheless. So now another important thing is that you can already insert different tags. I won't be doing that. Google Tag Manager, for example, and that you have to pay or deposit 70% of your credits upfront for these to start working. And then the rest is going to be deducted once the website is ready. So I have 327 credits. Let's see how much I will spend on this. Generate my website. Okay, and so this is my estimate: 42 plus pages, 6 core pages, 8 plus blog posts, 4 service pages, and 24 location pages. This is gonna cost me 146 credits, so 103 plus 43 after. Let's click on continue if we're agreeing with this. Okay, so Locus Pilot is taking me through the whole process. Now we are at this stage, which is phase 1, structure generation, and I will get notified in about 10 minutes so I can pre-approve my website structure. Okay, 10 minutes have passed. I can now review my site structure. So these are the pages that I should be reviewing. I can deselect or select them all. And since I don't know anything about concrete leveling, I just assume this is correct. Blog posts, so I've gotten 15. 7 warning signs, your concrete needs leveling, how limestone slurry concrete leveling works, DIY concrete leveling versus hiring a professional. Looks good. Then service locations that you should have checked before. Buffalo, Cheektowaga, I won't be even attempting pronouncing these words. And then the core pages are included, which are home about contact privacy policy terms and services. And we all know that the free tools page is going to be included as well. So let's just approve and generate. And this is what is going to take the most time. This is going to take 2 hours, and you will get an email notification once this is all done. And I'll just pause my recording and unpause when I have something to show you. Okay, so it's been 2 hours and our website is ready. We have a few options. We can view the website. Okay, and it looks quite amazing. I love the images. This looks extremely professional. We have services. We have service areas. Amazing. We have the About section. We have the Free Tools section. Concrete level cost estimator. It works. And we finally have a blog post section with amazing images, internal links. Wow. This is the best rank and rent website I have created personally. Now, obviously from here, you can edit the website. And I believe you have limited choices as far as edits. So you can redo some of the images, but they're perfect. You can also generate or edit the blog posts. You can fix the blog title, the meta title, the description, assign a different category. You can edit the actual text, which is amazing. You can adjust your services section. Same with locations and a theme. So if you don't like the color coding, for example, or the typography, or even the look of the buttons, you can change all of these. Now for the settings, this is our domain. You can connect this to Google Tag, and obviously you can publish the website. So there are a few options. You can publish to Cloudflare. You can download the source, so you can edit this inside of Cursor, or you can download the website, and this is what we'll be doing. Okay, so this is our zip file that contains all the website files. The index.html is here. And since I'm using Hostinger for all of my test websites, I'll show you how to use that. So you go to Hostinger, you go to websites, click on add website. Then you choose custom PHP or HTML. From here, you can attach your domain straight up, but I'd rather use a temporary domain so I can see how the website looks like first. And now all you have to do is to go to File Manager, then to Public HTML. And from here, you just drag and drop. So let me open up my archive, this one here. I'll make sure everything is selected. And I'm just dragging and dropping. This is all I'm doing. And you can see that there's more than 200 files, but the overall size is less than 20 megabytes, which is very lightweight. Beautiful. Now you just exit and click on this temporary domain, and this is your fully working website. Let's just click on random areas of the website to make sure, and just admire the quality, guys. This is very high quality. The blog section, let's open up this one. Wow. Guys, this is amazing. This looks superb. Related articles, before and after, just look at this. This is not a banana, by the way. Amazing. Now, to attach your domain, again, it's very simple. You click on Connect Domain. Okay, this is my address. Obviously, it's going to say it's taken, but I own it, so it's okay. We'll click on Next. We'll click on Continue. And from here on, we just click on Check Guide. We go back to Namecheap, Domain List. Make sure you find your domain, click on Manage. And then from this domain section, you change over the basic DNS settings to custom DNS. And all you have to do is to copy these two guys, 1 and 2. You click on this green tick mark, and that's it. That's literally all you have to do to get the website up and running. Now, before we go, I want to touch upon the pricing, and then I'll offer a discount. So first off, this is the basic pricing. You can choose the pay-as-you-go model, which is enough for one website, which is going to cost you around $6 to $7. Then a $97 monthly subscription, which is going to get you about 2 small or 1 medium website, and then $300 per month. And you can use this to create 3 or 4 websites. And once again, once these websites are created, you download the code, and then you own this code. You host it wherever you want, be it Cloudflare or Horizon. So you're not tied to this subscription whatsoever. It is convenient if you're planning on building your rank and rent empire, but you can purchase a one-off or pay-as-you-go option and create a bunch of websites and never visit this again. If you're still on the fence, there is a Starter Authority site option, which is perfect for testing the waters. It's only $25. You get a mini website with up to 12 pages, and this is an amazing offer, by the way. You would have spent way more if you were to try and replicate this with Manus or Genspark or Lovable, for example. And again, with Lovable, it's not going to be SEO optimized. And if you apply WAS10 coupon code, you'll get 10% off whatever you order. So guys, this is a gem. I don't say this often. If you want to build your rank and rent empire, this has everything that you need. The blog posts are powered by Agility Writer, so you know that the quality is very high. You use free credits on EMD Striker to find your niche. Then you use Locus Pilot to create your websites. Again, from A to Z, takes 2.5 hours with everything, and then you own the website. And it looks perfect, looks amazing. So go check it out. The link is going to be in the description. Apply the coupon code to get 10% off, and let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.